Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will talk about one of my projects that was about creating a sale booking portal using Aura Lightning Visualforce page. Before getting started with the project demo, let me give you a brief introduction to the sale booking portal. Sale booking portal is a design page where a logged in user can book the sale according to the availability of seats in the boat. It contains fields from many different objects. Coming to the client's requirements, the client's requirement were to create a user interface for login users from where they should be able to view the list of available seats on a boat. That is related to sailing. Regarding different record types, users can book the sail depending on the occupancy of the boat. The book button will function to create sub-customer records and associate the sailing with them. After recording the sale, the count of number of passengers would be updated. To fulfill our client's requirements, we build an Aura Lightning component and visual page in Salesforce. We have written in Apex trigger to book the sale and use the validation rule and formula field. Let me now show you a glimpse of the portal. First, let's visit the Salesforce app to see the sale booking portal UI and understand the relationship of objects. There are 4 objects: account, boat, sale, and sub-customer. Initially, we would create the sale that would be shown in the UI. So, let's first create the sale. For creating the sale, we need to choose the record type here and here. I choose friends as a record type and fill all information like transactions, and the boat is the parent of this sale. So I'm choosing it as a test boat. Then we need to select the start date and end date and select the status as approved. Initially, the sale is not related to any account. After filling in the required details, click on the Save button. The sale is created 20244 and this is the sub-customer, which is the child of this sale. After sale creation, you can see the sub-customer result of the sale on your screen. Now, let's log into the sale booking portal UI by adding your username, password, and verification code. So this is the sale booking portal that I have created in my project. The language here is the Hawaii language. So let me translate it into English and show you. Here, you can see the list of sales for friends and guided record types. Now, let me tell you about the working of the portal. Users will be able to view the list of available seats on the boat. Users can click on the book button to reserve the seats on the boat. As the users booked the sale, then the number of available seats were reduced by 1. Finally, new sub-customers would be created in the Salesforce org. Now, let's move back to the sale portal where you are able to see the details of the sale. As a user visits this portal, they can book the sale under 2 categories, either friend or guided. So recently we have created a sale 20244. So now let's book this sale. This is the confirmation message. As the 20244 number sale is booked, here the new sub customer would be created. After refreshing the page, the sale we booked from the portal, here the new sub customer will be created and it will automatically be created in a test account that is logged in with this UI. Let's check for another one, that is 20226. Here we go with the confirmation. Now let's move to the cell. Here you can see we have a sale field created with 20226. The same goes with this one. We have a new sub customer that is automatically created. So whenever we book a sale, a sub customer should be created here for a test account. This is how we have used Aura Lightning, Visualforce page, and Apex trigger to create sale booking portal to help users book the seats according to the availability of seats on the boat. That's all about our project. Are you looking to hire the best Salesforce consulting company that can help you build branded and mobile optimized portals? Our Salesforce Lightning experts have established expertise in customizing and deploying Lightning solutions specific to your business to boost productivity and optimize operations. To get in touch with the Salesforce team of experts, visit the Cloud Analogy website and book a meeting now.